Yo, so today we're doing nothing but hip hinges. We're going to do 4 supersets. It's going to be a little bit lower weight, more volume. All hip hinging. Hip hinging is really good. Um, Get you a good burn, get you the glutes, the hamstrings, a little bit of lower back. But it really shouldn't be too much lower back. It's pretty much all in the glutes and hamstrings. So as you can see here, I did 4 sets of 10 on good mornings with the buffalo bar at 236. I get that weird weight because of the extra bar, and the plates are a little bit heavier. And then I increased the weight today on the kettlebell swings up to 95 pounds. So get stronger at those. Overall, it's a good day. If you're not doing any hip hinging, you need to increase it and get it stronger.